Not bad, Tyler, but you're still gonna lose.
I already won. You just don't know it yet.
First to the airfield wins. You didn't say nothing about roads. I'll be waiting. You guys at the garage.
I thought this was supposed to be a friendly race.
This is us being friendly.
Last one washes Rap's cars. This is serious business.
I haven't seen Mac this excited since the Veneto job.
Aren't you?
Biggest job we've ever done? You bet I am.
Time to kick this up a notch.
Heads up!
That was a sick jump.
Bel Air, honey, let's make you fly. We are cleared for takeoff. Sorry for being so awesome.
Fine, I was just going easy on you. You might even be ahead if you weren't such a show-off.
She's not wrong.
Mac?
You done the impossible, Jess. You shut up Mac.
I'm shaking my head in disapproval.
Still think you're winning, Ty?
I am winning.
I don't see you in front.
The finish is where it counts.
Oh.
Nice moves.
Don't expect that to work next time.
Always one step ahead, buddy.
It's done, Morgan. You'll be driving the prize. You and your crew better pull this off.
See, what did I say? Lena Navarro is the best damn fixer in Silver Rock. Yeah. I'm liking how she sounds, Rav.
You built this all yourself?
Given enough time and attention, an artist can turn any pile of scrap into a supercar.
Okay, guys. You know what we do now.
Party?
Practice.
Let's roll.
Rav, the kick on this thing is out of this world!
Better learn to handle it if you're gonna pull off this job. The prize car has double that horsepower.
Rap's right. Let's make sure you're ready for the heist. You got time to the race, Navarro. Your part's done. We'll handle the hard stuff.
So, Ty, what are you gonna do when we make bank?
One thing at a time, focusing on the job.
Been busting my ass out here for 3 years. I'll tell you what I'll do. I'm gonna fly in my dad's 65 Mustang, fix it up like new, then put together the best drift film in Fortune Valley. Jess, how about you?
Got some serious debts I'll finally get rid of. Might start my own shop with what's left.
See, Tyler?
the perfect ride, specking as high as it'll go, and get myself into the ultimate race.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
I'm having second thoughts watching you drive.
How about you, Lena?
I'm getting out of this hellhole.
Where are you going?
Up.
What? Silver Rock's aces.
You didn't grow up in the barrio. Tyler and I did.
It wasn't all that. It made me who I am.
My point exactly. Come on, Tyler. Gotta push harder.
Relax, Lena. You know I can do this. It's why you agreed to the job.
You're about to race and lift a hypercar loaded with prototype black market tech. Do not tell me to relax.
Ready to practice your jumping skills, bruv?
Yeah. Where are you?
Coming through. Oh, yeah. Not bad, bruv. Pull off that jump on the job, and we'll be golden.
I hope so.
Baby bird's learning to fly. I'm so proud.
Miss me? You've got a nice stretch of road ahead. Push this thing as hard as you can. See if you can keep her under control.
Thought you'd never ask.
Every gang in town wants their hands on the prototype tech in that car.
I'm sure. But they're not getting the car until I take a peek under that hood myself.
I used up every favor and contact I have getting you into the driver's seat for this race. You cannot fail.
Guys, nothing to worry about. This crew right here, we're the best this city's ever seen. We pull this off, we become legends.
Time to make us some money.
We got this, guys.
Fortune Valley, a gambler's paradise in the desert. You can buy anything here, even luck. Let the rich play with cards and dice. Those of us born in the shadow of the casinos, we take our chances at 100 miles an hour.
Everyone in position? Jess?
Standing by outside the circuit.
Mac?
Mac Attack is ready to roll.
You named your truck the Mac Attack?
She named herself.
Raph, just get the car to me and I'll take care of the rest.
Time to make us all rich, Tyler.
I got eyes on the mark. The gambler's here.
Well, look at that. It is a beautiful day for a race. I've got you at 4-to-1 odds of taking first place. Now, I know this prototype won't let me down. The question is, can you handle her? Those electric motors and twin-turbo V8 will give you a combined
1,500 horsepower. Yeah, I can handle it.
Woo-hoo! Good boy! You've done your homework. Now listen, second place doesn't get me jack. Got it? You seem like a hot hand. Don't screw this up, all right, hotshot?
Do you suspect anything?
Not a thing.
Whoa, the power and torque on this thing. Raph's souped-up Mustang doesn't even come close.
Tyler, you're like a brother to me, but I hate you so much right now.
They say you're the best racer in town, Morgan. Prove it.
Ty, get ready.
You've got to hit the rendezvous point at high speed. We've only got one shot at this. Once you hit that jump, there'll be no turning back.
Mac, I'm coming up on the rendezvous. You better be in position.
I'm almost there.
Almost! Mac.
Just line her up and floor it. Trust me.
This is it, guys. Don't mess this up.
Mac, coming in hot.
One launch pad coming up. Houston, we have liftoff.
Jump a $2 million hypercar. Check.
Can I mention again how much I hate you?
That's our paycheck you're driving, Morgan. Get that car to Rav.
Look out for a silver Koenigsegg Regera. Vehicle is of extremely high value.
Control, we're pursuing the stolen Regera, code 3.
All units in pursuit be advised. Due to the Regera's high value, you are to arrest...
Jess, got cops on my 6.
Keep moving. I'll be right there.
What the hell are you doing, boy?
What's it look like?
Stop. Whatever you're thinking of, stop. You're bringing the car back to me right now. He mad?
Oh, he mad.
1 out of 13, we're on them. They're now in Silver Rock.
All units, 1 out of 13 has resumed.
Jess, where are you?
Hold on!
Jess?
Got your back, big guy.
Coming around subject. Vehicle.
Good luck with those repairs.
I'll keep the cops busy, Ty. Go! Nice driving, Morgan. Glad I took a chance on your crew.
Tyler Morgan, 23 years old, mother Sylvia Morgan, father unknown. So sad, 6 months in juvenile for reckless driving.
I'm the best racer in town in one of the fastest cars in the world. Good luck catching me.
You don't want to roll that dice with me, kid.
What the hell?
What's going on?
I'm on my way.
Raph.
The street racers are here. I saw them take that car. Thank you, officer.
What have you done?
Didn't Rev tell you what's under that hood? My buyers are paying a fortune for it.
You'll never get away with this, Navarro!
Cops are on their way. The house sends their regards.
Hey, what happened here?
Navarro. Mac, get him help. I'll draw the cops. But go!
Hi, what are you doing?
Drawing the cops away.
Come on, that's my job.
I brought Navarro on board. This is on me. Just get Mac and Rev to safety.
I've got a police scanner and Rap's GPS tracker. At least let me help you. Head towards the spillway, but you've gotta hurry. Cops are locking down the sector.
That's it, you bastards! Come at me! Come at me!
Straight ahead! Take a right!
heading westbound to the barrio.
Take a left through the lot.
The Nissan Skyline.
Come on, move!
Westbound to the barrio.
You're halfway there, Ty. Don't give up.
Never.
Lots more roadblocks. Hard right, then a left at the next corner.
Now heading westbound to the barrio.
Alright, copy.
Keep going towards the spillway.
Copy that.
Lincoln 30, I gave them a little shove. Attempting to ram the subject. Just hit the subject. Now heading eastbound approaching Silver Rock West.
Take that!
Now heading southbound to the barrio.
And you're down.
Where are you, bro?
Doesn't matter. Is Rev okay?
I'm no sure, Ty.
He'll make it.
Of course he will. He has to.
Now heading eastbound approaching Silver Rock West.
Almost there.
Suspect vehicle going eastbound approaching Silver Rock.
Control the red GTR and jump down on the spillway. We lost sight of him.
Copy, Adam.
Cops are off my back. Your plan worked, Jess.
You're doing good, Ty, but now's not the time to relax. The cops have massive backup incoming. They're putting the entire city on lockdown.
Jess, I got unmarked cars on me.
What? Where did they come from?
They're boxing me in.
Get out of there, Tyler!
The hell?
Where's the car?
Lena Navarro. She played us both and took it for the house.
Did she? You're useless to me. Enjoy prison. Although, you'll want revenge. So will I. Yeah, this'll work. You'll be the ace, but I'm the one who holds the cards.
What are you talking about?
Hear that? Cops are almost here. Go to jail or work for me. Eat, sleep, drive when I say, and when the time is right, you'll get what you want.
Do I have a choice?
There's always a choice. Get in.
Say you pull up next to a real sweet ride. What do you think? How much does it cost? How fast can it hit 100? I tell you what I think. I see potential. I see the knife's edge of control, that split second where I put everything on the line. I see myself winning it all.
Morgan! The boss would like his car now.
Yeah. I'll be right there.
Let's have a little fun.
The boss is meeting some big player from the house today. They're taking over the city block by block. Boss's car better be there when it's over.
You kidding? I got some speed trap times I've been itching to post. It's not every day I get to take Rear's DB11 for a spin.
That's what the boss gets for hiring racers.
I don't race anymore, remember? That's the deal. No more racing or my ass goes straight to jail.
Oh, too bad. The house pays big money for dudes to throw races these days. You don't even need to compete anymore.
Well, what's the point if they tell you who wins and who loses?
Money, bro! They pay real nice.
Let's see how fast this baby can go.
Oh, the boss ain't gonna like that.
Damn, that feels good.
What do you say? I can give you this guy's number.
Not interested. When I race to win.
Uh-huh. But you don't seem to be winning much these days.
You know what? Screw this.
Bro, what are you doing? You want to get fired?
Maybe I do.
Hey, Tyler! The boss doesn't pay you to just mess around, man. Guess you really don't want this job, huh?
Time to kick it up a notch.
Tyler, where's my car?
Don't worry, Weir. I'm not stealing this one.
Is that how you treat your friends, Tyler? Huh? Well, no wonder your crew deserted you, huh?
That's not how it went down.
Yeah, I bet they can't wait to hear from you, huh? Your perfect heist fell apart and your whole crew became the most wanted little gang in all of Fortune Valley. Miller's had to sell out driving petty criminals to make ends meet. I even heard a little rumor that McAllister's driving for the house these days. And your mechanic? Ah, poor old Ralph. You think they'll ever take your calls again? Tyler, come on, listen to me. I'm the only friend you got right now. You will get your revenge on Navarro, and I will get my car back. So you have to be patient, understand? The pieces are just about to fall into place. Okay, I'll take that as a yes. Now get back here before I fire your ass.
Clock's ticking, Weir. You sell the casino or we'll take it from you.
Great chat.
Enjoyed the ride, Tyler? Look, now's not the time, kid. I say when the cards get played.
It's been 6 months.
Get out. If you so much as dinged my car,
I'm knocking you down the garbage truck, Tootie.
Okay, Ty. Time to go home.